Hi everyone, it's Sheree here. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing video for the new Felicity Jane Elizabeth kit. I've had a couple of people ask me to do this, so I'll just run you through what's included in the kit and show you a couple of things that you can get separately as well in the shop. So starting off with the things that I don't need to open for you, we've got the Elizabeth stamp set here. There's some great summer phrases, some that says my happy place, good vibes only. There's these beautiful florals, smaller flowers here that you can scatter around the page, and we've got that solid stamp there as well with the outline that goes on top, and there will be dies that come out to suit this as well, so keep an eye out for those. There's also the Elizabeth chipboard alphabet. I absolutely love that these are all different colours. You can see the different colours there, and on the back you've got the numbers as well, so that is really good. Great to have in your stash. There's also the Elizabeth epoxy shapes. There's some flowers, hearts and dots here in the colours to suit the kit. There's the gorgeous silicone charms. So you've got sunny days, memories, happiness, and you've got this lemon, a couple of florals and some little hearts there. So they're really cool as well. There's also the Elizabeth layered stickers. Try and give you a closer look. They've got some stitching and lovely layers there for dimension, and these strips down the bottom are actually 2 layers. I've just bent the bottom one up there so you can see you can add dimension on your page by just folding one of those edges up. You can see just there. That's very cool. So I love those as well. Now the rest of these I will have to open up and show you, so I'll go and do that and be back in a minute. Okay, so here we have the Elizabeth chipboard shapes. I absolutely love these. Fantastic chipboard pieces. So we've got the bathing suit, there's a hat there, a couple of pairs of sunglasses which are absolutely adorable. We've got a seashell and a starfish, a sun, an umbrella, a tote bag, a camera, watermelon, an ice block there and an ice cream, the word summer, a glass of lemonade, and we have these. In Australia we call these thongs, if you can believe that. I know a lot of you will laugh at that from other countries. Some people call them flip-flops overseas. There's lots of names for them. We call them thongs. Okay, so that's the chipboard shapes. I'll be back in a moment with the die cut shapes. Okay, so here we have the Elizabeth die cut shapes. So as always, every kit has the girl herself. So this is Elizabeth. She's looking gorgeous in her outfit there. We also have some tags here, and there's a couple of the cut-off tags, which is perfect for tucking in behind photos and other things. There's also the one here that says date and details that you can write on. And there is this little black piece, which you can use on any of the tags just to pop over the hole there at the top of the tag, just like that. So you could use that on any of those 3 tags. All right, we've got some labels here. There's a blue one, a pink one, and black and white. There's this multicolored strip that you can use in all sorts of places. We've got a few lemons there. We've got the word summer and relax. There's these 3 little black and white bows. Love those. And then of course we have all the gorgeous florals, and there's some extra leaves there as well that you can layer in behind to add a little bit of dimension. So they are the Elizabeth die cut shapes. Okay, so next we have the journaling cards. So these are awesome. I love the colours and patterns that are involved in this little lot. So we have this one here with the lemons on it. As always, on the back we have little dots. We've got this one that says details. It's in pink, and dots on the back as well. This one says summer. We've got grid on the back of that one. We've got this one here with the diagonal stripes. I'm loving these colours. That one has dots on the back. We've got this one here with a border. You can add your journaling or photos to, and dots on the back. We've got the black and white stripe on this side and a grid on the back of that one. We've got these rows of stars in the kit colours. Love that. And dots on the back. Sunshiny days with dots on the back of that one. We've got the pink gingham on this one with a grid. This one with a little label on it. Grid on the back. these lovely big stripes, grid on the back of that one, and this beautiful floral card as well, and grid on the back of that. So they are the journaling cards in the kit. Okay, next up we have the pattern papers. So to start off with, we have the pretty floral. On the back, it's the dash and the branding strip. As always, we always have pretty branding strips on these papers. We've got these hearts all the way along in different colours. Absolutely love that. Okay, next paper is this yellow gingham. And then on the back we have all these scripty words in this summer theme. So it says summer, fun, adventure, play. And the branding strip on this is a pink stripe. Next up we have the plaid. That lovely pink, and on the back we have the scallop, and the branding strip on this one is these lovely lemons. This next one, this lovely minty blue, is stripes on this side. You can see those there, and on the back we have this large frame. There's also those rainbow sort of dots on the branding strip. Alright, then we have these beautiful hearts on this side, on this next paper. Polka dots on the back, absolutely love that. I'm always a fan of polka dots. And then we have scripty words on this branding strip. So it says Hello Sunshine all the way along. Next up we have the lemons, of course. And on the back of that one, tiny dots. And then we have the pink gingham on that branding strip. And then we always have some solid colour papers included in the papers. And this one, we have this lovely pink. As always, there's a scallop branding strip on each side. And they've got the light pink on the back, again, with that scalloped branding strip. And then there's the solid yellow, again, with the branding strip there. And that lovely minty blue on the back, again, with that branding strip. So they are the papers included in the Elizabeth kit. This other thing I want to show you is the lemon confetti. I absolutely love this. I'll just go and take the wrapping off and give you a closer look. Alright, so I've managed to get that jar open, and I have to give you a closer look at these because it is the cutest confetti you've ever seen. Have a look at these tiny lemons. Isn't that adorable? I can't wait to play with these ones. Lots of little lemon slices in there. I'll just put that lid on so I don't want to spill that everywhere. Okay, so that is everything that's included in the Elizabeth kit, but I do have a couple of extra things here to show you that you can purchase separately. So there is another stamp set this month that you can get your hands on, and this is all summer themed. It's called Hello Sunshine. And we have like the beach umbrella, the bathing suit, tote bag, sunglasses, camera, some watermelon, the glass of lemonade. There's also the Hello Sunshine here and the word summer, little starfish there as well. So if you like that, go into the store. Under the Elizabeth kit, you will see this listed along with all the other kit pieces. And there's also 2 new Traveller's Notebooks in the shop as well. One has the gingham on the front, the yellow gingham, and the other one has this black plaid check. And inside we just have blank white, but if you haven't already seen, our notebooks are now coming with these square corners, which I'm very excited about because if you've seen some of my videos, I always create my pages outside the notebook and then stick them in. So now I don't have to worry about those rounded corners, which is awesome. So that's that one and the yellow gingham. So I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you've enjoyed having a closer look at what's included in the Elizabeth kit this month. Please let me know if you've got any questions. I'll pop a link down below to Felicity Jane. It's an affiliate link, so thank you in advance for your support if you do choose to use that. Just remember, if you didn't want to purchase the entire kit, most of these pieces, well, almost all of these pieces, are available separately in the store. So just have a look under the Elizabeth kit heading and you'll see everything there. Alright, so I'll head off for now and I'll be back soon with another process video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.